Alright, so for the chocolate ganache, this is what we're going to do. Got ourselves some heavy cream. We're going to do about a 1/4 cup. I'm going to put it in this here bowl. Then we're going to throw it in the microwave until it gets hot. Give it about a minute. In the meantime, while that's in the microwave, you can cut up our Reese's Cups. We're going to cut these in half. I don't know how many it's going to take, but we're going to do this many to start. Oh, getting soon. Let's see what we got going on. Oh yeah. Alright. Now we're going to take about a cup of these morsels. We're just going to dump them in there and start mixing. I'm telling you, people, this is going to be epic. Don't worry about it if you spill them on the floor. Let the dogs have a little tasty treat. There we go. Got our trusty spoon, and we're going to start mixing. Oh yeah. That's melting just perfectly. That's what we're looking for. You see that? Oops, I just spilled it all over my frickin' Reese's cup. Oh well. I'm just a home cook, not a professional chef, so. Alright, this is looking good. Alright, I think we're about there. This is going to be a little tricky. See how I'm doing this by myself with just my phone? This is going to be a little tricky. See if we can get it done though. Cheesecake, chocolate ganache, drizzle. Here we go. Oh yeah. Sure we get enough on here. Can never have enough chocolate. And just for the hell of it, let's go the other way with it. Might as well make it look pretty, right? Before devouring. Now, to top this thing off, we're going to take all them Reese's that I just cut up. What we got? Just go all the way around this thing. I think we might just have enough. And that, my friends, is the finished product. And that is one Reese's peanut butter cheesecake with brownie bottom. Next step, we're going to cut this thing up and try some. Here we go. It's always a good idea to wipe off your knife when you're slicing these cheesecakes up. That way you get nice clean edging. Just FYI, you know what I mean? Hopefully this comes out in one piece. Oh yeah. And that, my friends, is a perfect slice of cheesecake. Let's see what we got. Jean-Claude Van Damme, I'm good. That's some tasty cheesecake right there, my friends. Can't get any better than that. Rich, creamy, peanut buttery. It's pretty good. Thanks for tuning in to the very first episode of Meals with the Maniac. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be more to come. Stay tuned. If you want to see anything particular, see me make you anything particular, leave a comment below. Stay metal, my friends.